Hello friends, welcome to another edition of Janhit Me series. Today I have a couple of positive news to report in this COVID season. One is the way relentlessly railways have been working to supply oxygen across the country. And another piece of good news coming from Nanded district, how a village has been able to stay COVID free and break the chain rather. So first on the railways. The railways, which have been on a mission mode, have been able to conduct more than 200 oxygen express trips across the country, and they delivered as much as 12,630 tons of liquid medical oxygen, or they call LMO, in more than 775 tankers across the nation. They have been delivering almost 800 tons of LMO to the nation each day as of now, and they have delivered so far to about 13 states, including Uttarakhand, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Telangana, Punjab, Kerala, etc. So, Uttar Pradesh itself has received about 3,189 tons, 1,549 in Haryana, 772 metric tons in Telangana, 521 tons each in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. So, friends, I think all in all, railways have been doing a pretty good job despite many odds and lot of difficulties in the way, particularly the lack of availability of labor, manpower in these times of COVID. Moving on to Maharashtra, we have a piece of positive news coming from Bhosi village in Bhokar Taluka of Nanded. It has been quite some time, we have done any such development journalism pieces of late. So here I am attempting one. So this village has been successfully able to prevent the spread of COVID. It so happened that recently there was a wedding and they found one a lady from the village, having been infected with COVID. This happened about 2 months ago, and 5 more patients diagnosed positive. The Jilla Parishad held a special diagnosis camp during which these cases came out. Of the 119 tests that they have conducted, there were 19 positive cases. So what they have done was they persuaded the infected people to stay away from the village. The Jilla Parishad member Prakash Deshmukh Bosikar, who owns a farm, he constructed temporary sheds for these people, for the affected people, and they made sure that they get food and medicines regularly, and they spent about 15 to 17 days as required under the COVID protocol. And after they recovered, they are all back and joined their families in the village. Bosikar himself says a month and a half has passed since then and not a single patient has been found in the village. COVID can be fought effectively by adopting the age-old path of isolation as was being done during the days of plague, even in villages without adequate medical facilities. And one of the ladies of the village who spent a fortnight in the quarantine in the field says separation is the only way to save villages from getting infected. I think it's a fantastic lesson for us in living in cities where the authorities are trying their level best to break the chain, and which is where they have to impose all kind of strict mini lockdown or lockdown restrictions, containment, etc., which of course has showing now its results. So friends, thank you very much for your patience, and I'll keep getting back to you with some positive news in Janhit Me series. Bye bye for now.